someone, missing someone, missing someone. With all your heart.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a small living room tour. Just a little disclaimer, if you guys hear noise in the background, that is the machine going. But let's get started. So this is the overview when you first walk in. So we're going to start over here with my sectional. So I have this velvet modern sectional, very beautiful, very high maintenance. It has silver detail on the sofa, very beautiful. So I got this sectional at a furniture store in my hometown. I believe it was somewhere in Warren, Michigan. I got these fur pillows. They actually came with the couch, and I added some throw pillows, which is this sequin throw pillow. I got the pillowcase from Amazon. Then I got these pillowcases as well from Amazon. These are I came with a set of 4. I'm gonna show y'all the other 2. The pillows were separate as well. I had got like a 4-pack of 18 by 18 pillows. So they did not come like as a pillow set, so I did buy. And then I have this pretty crystal like chandelier type of lamp. It's very tall. I believe it's like 7 or 8 feet tall, and I got this from a seller on Walmart.com. I'm gonna close the blinds for a bit. Everything in this living room is actually new. I got the blinds from Home Depot. I got this beautiful painting with the silver metallic and navy blue and gray to bring out the sectional. I got this from Home Goods. I have this cute throw blanket, and I actually shaped this throw blanket like this. It's actually long and square, but I made it into this cute little shape. And like I said, this is from Amazon. I also got the table, this beautiful table, and this area rug from Home Center as well. This beautiful centerpiece I actually DIY. And then I got these 2 Chanel books from Amazon. I just have a Tiki Beach candle going right now from Bath and Body Works. Then over here is the fireplace, and it has marble detail, and it's all glass all the way around. Very chic and elegant. I love the fireplace. If you can see, it has the little crystals in here. I will insert a video after this clip to show you guys how it looked at night. So these are the LED lights, and they change colors, so you can have them flashing. You can do pink, purple, any color you want to set the mood, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you guys the settings on this fireplace. It has 6 different settings. You have your power button, then your on and off. You have your flame, which this changes the flames to different colors. It speeds up the flames, as you can see. And the crystals are so beautiful in there. Then you can also like change the bottom of the crystals as well. So that's pretty neat. You have a timer on here. This fireplace also heats up, and it's just all around like great, pretty. Like if you want your flames to match the stones at the bottom, you can do that. You can not have flames, but this is so gorgeous, so relaxing. Like I definitely can't wait until the winter, because watching some nice movies, eating you know, your favorite snacks during the holiday, this is going to be so great. So these beautiful crystals right here, I actually got from Hobby Lobby, and I got this because it brings out the blue in the sectional. It's real cute, very pretty. And then I also got these beautiful crystal elephants, and I also got them from Hobby Lobby. So I got 2 of each, and I just put the butterflies on each side. The TV I got from Best Buy, and it's a 65-inch Samsung. So like I said, everything in this living room is new and remodeled. Here I got a little floor plant, and I got this plant from IKEA. And the flower pot was separately. I also got that from IKEA. Over here I have my little marble tray to sit my remote control in. So this one is my TV. This is for my LED lights on my TV, which you guys probably would have saw before this clip how the lights look on the TV. I got this little plant here from Target. These little coasters with my initials. My daughter got me, I believe, for like, I think for Christmas, a couple of Christmas ago. These are the rest of the pillows I was talking about. I bought the pillowcase in a set of 4 and the pillows in a set of 4. And I just love this navy blue and orange and the white. It brings out this beautiful painting that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. Look at this painting. It's just so pretty. So pretty. I love the color. So kind of got these pillowcases to bring out that picture. Then I have my little my bench. It is a nice size bench, very chic. I got this from Overstock, and I love the legs on here. It's clear and like crystal clear. This is so soft, so soft. Then here I just added a little curtain, and I got this from Lobby, and I like the print on here. So this is it, guys, and this is the lights. It looks so nice at night. Like I said, you guys should have seen it before the clip, but this is how it looks in the day. So overall, this is my living room, guys. I hope you enjoyed this living room tour, small living room tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.